we doing today? So on today's menu, we're going to make chicken stew. Yes, that yummy chicken stew, we're going to make it today. So first off, you need your clean chicken. Yes, your clean chicken. And you put them in a pot so that you're ready to spice up and do everything nice with it. Then when you're done, I add to put my garlic and ginger, then my mixed peppers, which I'm going to put in the description below so that you know what exactly you are putting in. Now it's time for the mixing. Now it's time for the mixing. So now we're going to use my mixed herb. This herb, when I started putting it in, it has changed the level of my chicken, of my cooking, of every single thing. So if you want some snip tip of what I put there, let me know in the description below. Then I put in my Maggi, then I put in my salt so that it gives that taste that you require. So once I'm done, as you can see, it's now time for it to boil. So what I do is that I just let it boil like that, because I just realized that boiling it like that without putting in water just maintains the nutrients, the spices, everything together. So it's just giving that nice chicken that you would love to eat. Now I have to put it in my air fryer. Guys, this air fryer has been doing a lot. If you're an air fryer person or cook, put down in the comment below, because air fryer has been the OG. Then look at how the chicken is. This is how it came out. Ah gosh, this chicken is so yummy. Then I had to sieve out my chicken stock. Now it's time to put in the pepper in the oil. So I make sure that I fry fry that pepper, let it be juicy, and like when you're looking at it, you be like, yes, this is my work. Then I have to put in like some spices, which I already did. Then I added some chicken stock to it so that it just like gives that taste that you'd require. Then now it's just time for it to boil and leave it. Then I had to put in the chicken, since we're making the chicken stew, because there's no chicken without the stew. I don't know if you get the vibe, but if you get the vibe, put it in the comment below. Yes, so I had to mix everything together so that the meat goes into the chicken goes into the stew goes into the chicken. I don't know if you're enjoying the vibe, but you know the vibe. So yeah, this is how it looks, and I'm so excited that it came out really well. Trust me to pair it up with my white rice and my plantain. Ah guys, me I like soft plantain. Soft plantain like this, I'm your girlie.
So I decided to also make moi moi also. I'm going to give a brief video on it. If you want me to do a full video, you can put it down in the comments below.
And on another plate, I had to pair it up with the moi moi and with the effort. Tell me what you would mix yours with in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and do have an awesome day.